hair, bro. You talking to me? Me? Oh, oh, you like my hair? Oh, you do? Oh, you do? Oh, you do? Let me show you how we got these braids in my hair. It's super short. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? I missed you. Where have I been? That will come up in another video. This is just a simple hair tutorial. Well, kind of tutorial. We'll see we'll see. 2 feedin braids, simple, easy, quick. You want to learn how to do it like I did? Just keep watching. So today we're going to start off with blowing out my hair 50% of the way, just so it'll be easy, a little bit easier to braid, and so that my hair won't take forever to dry under the braids. And all these products are going to be in the description. And as far as splitting the hair, I have 1 pack of hair, and I'm basically splitting every section in half until I get the desired size pieces that I want. The first half that I split it into smaller pieces for the front of my head, and then the other half, the first half that I split that into 4, and that's basically for the end of the braid. And I ended up with 16 pieces for this smaller braid that I'm going to do on the side. And you see right here, this is the first half that I split, and I just put that into 4 pieces, and that's for the end of the braid. So I'm starting off braiding my hair like 2 times. Then I'm going to take the feed-in hair and put it between my pinky to hold that half, and put that strand in the middle of the 3 strands and braid until my hand gets back into the first position. Then take the other half and put it in the middle. And I don't braid again. I just pick up my next piece and do it again. Put that piece in the middle, braid. And then once I get back to that position, I'm going to put that in the middle as well. And I'm going to keep repeating this all the way down. Both pieces are going to go in the middle, but one at a time, if you get my drift. Found my gel. So this is for the bigger braid, and I'm separating this. I'm separating them more like the pieces bigger this time, because what ended up happening was with the other braid, I ended up using 2 of the pieces as one, some of them, but it's more so you just eyeball it once you get the hang of it. And then I separated this piece just for like the first 2 pieces of me braiding. So this is the other half of the halves that I split the first time. I just put those in 2, and this is the big half. So I'm splitting this one in half, and then I decided to take one of those halves and just split it again. So that big half I split into 3 pieces, and that was the end of that. So now I'm taking my gel and I'm like gluing this hair down, okay? This is what's going to give you that real sleek look. And I am gonna go back and do the other side because I thought I lost my gel, but obviously I found it. But I'm just gonna go back on the other side and touch it up when I'm done with this, because I was contemplating redoing the braid, but then at the end I was like, man, never mind. So here we go again. I'm taking my hair and I'm braiding it a few times down. And then this is the first piece. I'm putting it in the middle strand, and leaving that other half, braiding it until my hands could get back in that first position, to where I was holding my hair before I picked the strand up. Then I'm putting that other half in the middle as well. I'm not braiding it again. I'm just picking up another strand, doing the same thing. Put it in the half of the strand in the middle, braid until my hands get back in that first position, and then put that other half in the middle and just keep on going down. And if you're braiding like me, make sure that back part of your head is like flat, so it don't look like you have an extra part in your hair. So again, I'm braiding till my hands get back in that position, and then I'm going to take that piece and put it in the middle again. Don't you obviously pick up your hair, but don't braid again. More hair. You see the pieces are getting bigger as well. In the middle. Flip it to the back if it will help your brain register what you're doing, because it's a mind game with this braiding stuff, bro. You got to get your mind right. But I braid it, and then I take that piece, put it in the middle again, and that's all I do. is the edge control I use on my daughter because I left mine somewhere. So I'm just going to use that. And y'all, this stuff smells so good and low key. It's legit, like, honestly. And don't forget your mousses. This lays flyaways down and just holds everything together. And after I put this on and work it in, I'm going to put my silk scarf over it, as you will see in a minute. And then I just let it sit and I continue getting ready. How y'all like that video? You know what I'm saying? How y'all like the video? Did I do enough? Did I tell y'all enough? Did you learn from me? Did you learn anything? If you learned one thing, that's cool with me too. If you watched this video and you did this, I want you to send me a picture of how it came out for you. Simple as that. I want to see. And I'll probably start doing that with my hair tutorials. We'll feature your picture in my next tutorial, in the beginning, middle, end. Who knows? You just have to watch it and see. Let me know what you would like to see next. Any hairstyles you want to see next. I can try them with you if I don't know how to do them. And yeah, that's it. So until next time, see you.